What's up guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I will show you how you can disable badges on YouTube. Also, before I get started, if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. So let's get started. So first just open up your YouTube app, and once you open it, you need to go to your profile right here in the bottom right corner. Once you're here from your profile, go over to the settings tab right here in the upper right corner. On the settings tab, go to general settings, and here just scroll down to the bottom until you can see the earn badges option. So at the moment this is blue, which means that it's enabled. And to disable it, just simply flick it off, just like this. And the changes have been saved. Once it's off, you won't be earning badges anymore. So that's how you can disable this new badges feature on YouTube. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Also, if you want to support the channel further, you can check out my Buy Me a Coffee link in the description below. Thank you for watching.